Hello and welcome to Bank Exam Mentor. In this video, we will start with the chapter on percentages. Now, this chapter is a very important chapter as far as the quants, the whole quants is concerned. So, we will start with the percentages. So, I guess you all know the sign of percentages, that is this sign. So, if I write a number and the sign of percentages, this means that this is equals to 2 by 100. 2% is equal to 2 by 100. This is the reason why percentages is sometimes defined as a fraction whose denominator is always 100. So if I write 5%, this is equal to 5 by 100, and if I write any number, let's say x%, this is equal to x by 100. So we have already changed the percentages into fraction. Now we will do just the opposite, change fraction into percentage. Change fraction into percentage. Let's say I have a fraction x by y. X by y, I need to change it into percentage. So the thing that I have to do here is multiply by 100. If you multiply a fraction by 100, this will change into percentage. Let's say I have a fraction half, and if I multiply this by 100, this will be equal to 50%. I have a number, let's say second example, I have a number 4, and if I multiply by 100, this is equal to 25%. So this way you can change this fractions into a percentage. It will be really beneficial if you are able to remember the percentages of some fraction, like half is equal to 50%, 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%, 1 by 4 is equal to 25%, 1 by 5 is equal to 20%, 1 by 6 is equal to 16.66%, 1 by 7 is equal to 14.28%, 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%, and 1 by 12 is equal to 8.33%. This two seems similar, that's why I've written them in the same line. 1 by 9 is equal to 11.11%, and 1 by 11 is equal to 9.09%. 1 by 10 is equal to 10%. 1 by 11 we have already done here. 1 by 12 we have already completed. 1 by 13 is equal to 7.69%. 1 by 14 is equal to 7.14%, and 1 by 15 is equal to 6.66%. So it is very important that you remember the percentages of these simple fractions. Now we will come to the concept, a very important concept of percentages. Let's say I have 400 rupees. rupees 400. And if my percentage is raised by 20%, if my percentage is increased by 20%, what will be my new amount? I have rupees 400 in my pocket. Now somebody gave me a 20% more. What will be my new amount in my pocket? So basically what people do is they write 400 plus the 20% of 400. They do like this, and they add 400 plus this, and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. 40 to the is 80, so 480 is my answer. So they do in this way, but there is a quicker approach to this type of solution. I have 400 rupees in my pocket. My amount is raised by, my money is being raised by 20%. So I write 400, and instead of writing all of this, I directly write 120 by 100. This is a quicker approach because you have 100% here. This 400 rupees is your 100%, and this amount is raised by 20%. So you'll add this 100 and this 20, which will make you 120%. So you write 400 multiplied by 120 by 100. 12 fours are 48. So 480 rupees. This way you can directly get your answer. So straightforward, we will go to the first question. The first question says that A's income is 25% more than B's income. We don't know what A's income is, we don't know what the income of B is, but we have only we are only given with the fact that A's income is 25% more than B's income. So we will first take the income of B as 100. Now the income of A is 25% more than B's income. So now A's income will be 125 because A's income is 25% more than B's income. What is B's income in terms of A? So B's income is 100, and the question they have asked is to find the B's income in terms of A. So we have to divide by 125, that is the A's income. So this is percentage, 4 by 5, 20, and this is equal to 80%. Next question. Next question says A's income is 50% more than C's. So here also we have not given the A's income, and we have not given they have not given the C's income, but the question have said that the A's income is 50% more than the C's income. So in this case also we'll assume C to be 100. If we assume C 100, we'll get A 150 because A's income is 100 is 50 more than C's income. So the question now, how much percent is C's income less than A's income? You can see here the income of A is 150, C is the income of C is 100, so the income of C is 50 less than the income of A. So 50 less, 50 less on what? 50 less than A's income, that is 150 into 100. So our answer is 33.33 percentage. 33.33%. The third and the last question of this video, we'll read the question. A's height is 40% less than that of B. In this question again, we have not given the height of A and the height of B. So first we will assume the height of B because the question says that the A's height is 40% less. So we will take the B's height as 100 and A's height is 40% less means that the height of A will be 60. Now, let's read the question further. How much percent B's height is more than A's height? So B's height is 40 more than A's height. 40 by 60 into 100. So this will be equal to 2, 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33. So 33.33 into 2 is 66.66 percentage. This is our answer.